friends, my name is Tereza and this is my husband Michael, who is mostly hiding behind the camera. And this is our channel Healthy Avocatto. We create a content to promote your health and quality of everyday life. And this channel is mainly about sharing physiotherapy tricks and tips and other healthy life hacks. Did it ever happen to you that you could not continue your job or hobby because you had a backache or maybe a headache? Did you ever had a pain in your hand from a computer mouse? Did you have a neck pain from long driving? Or was sitting for a long time too tiring and painful for you? Many people think about themselves when they already have pain or health problems. But I can show you a lot of health problems and discomfort we can prevent and compensate by simple tricks and support our own health and comfort with some smart exercises. And it doesn't always take too much time, money or effort. So let's discover them together. This will help as many people as possible. We do our work with love and free for you. Help us grant our wish and spread this content further. Join us and help us create more healthy life hacks for everyone, because that is what Healthy Avocatto is about. Let's make our health better!